Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular coffee accessories, the Moka Espresso Maker and the Bialetti Replacement Gasket and Filter. If you're a coffee lover, this video is for you. Remember to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. When it comes to design and quality, both the Moka Espresso Maker and the Bialetti Replacement Gasket and Filter excel. The Moka Espresso Maker features a classic and iconic design that dates back to 1933. It's made in Italy and comes with a patented safety valve, making it easy to clean. On the other hand, the Bialetti Replacement Gasket and Filter is made from white rubber and stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. When it comes to compatibility, the Bialetti Replacement Gasket and Filter takes the lead. It is compatible with all Bialetti 3 Cup Stovetop coffee and espresso makers. This makes it convenient and versatile, allowing you to use it with your existing Bialetti coffee maker without any hassle. On the other hand, the Moka Espresso Maker is available in various sizes, suitable for gas, electric, and induction stovetops with the Bialetti induction adapter plate. Choose the size that suits your needs and enjoy a delicious cup of coffee. Using the Moka Espresso Maker is simple and traditional. Just fill the boiler with water up to the safety valve, add ground coffee without pressing, close the pot, and place it on the stovetop. Once it starts gurgling, turn off the heat, and your coffee will be ready to enjoy. After use, rinse the Moka Express with clean water, avoiding detergents. Keep in mind that it's not dishwasher safe. On the other hand, the Bialetti Replacement Gasket and Filter is easy to install and replace. It includes 1 replacement filter and 3 replacement gaskets, ensuring extended use and easy maintenance. That concludes our comparison between the Moka Espresso Maker and the Bialetti Replacement Gasket and Filter. Both products have their unique features and benefits. If you're looking for an authentic Italian coffee experience, the Moka Espresso Maker is a perfect choice. On the other hand, if you need a compatible replacement for your Bialetti coffee maker, the Bialetti Replacement Gasket and Filter is a great option. Let us know in the comments which product caught your attention and if you have any other coffee accessories you'd like us to review. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.